Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a really quick video editing tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to cut out the middle of a video clip for free in Windows 11 using a built-in piece of software called Clipchamp. It's really simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here we are in Windows 11, and I do have a video clip here on my desktop from a recent trip we were on. This is what we're going to be trimming the middle out of today, so that's right there on my desktop. So let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Clipchamp. You can head down to your search bar here at the bottom and start typing in Clipchamp, and it is free and included with Windows 11, so it should come up under Best Match. If you're not seeing it, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and open that up, and we'll let that do its thing here. There we go. So once it's loaded up, it'll look something like this. You can see your recent projects at the bottom. And right here it says create a new video. So you can go ahead and click on that and open that up, and that'll open up the editor. Now the first thing you should do once it's opened up is select the size of your project. So here at the top, you can click the drop down. So if you're working with wide video, vertical video, square video, you can select whichever one you're using. I'm working with wide video, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Now the next thing we need to do is import our media up here on the left hand side. So you can actually drag and drop your footage in, just drag it in and drop it in there, or you can search for it on your computer. So just go ahead and click on import media, and mine happens to be on my desktop, and there it is right there. You can find it and then just go ahead and hit open, and that will import the media into the project here. So give that a couple seconds if it's a longer video clip. There it is. Now from there, we need to bring it down into our timeline here at the bottom. So hold down your left mouse button on it and drag it down into your timeline at the bottom like that, and you can just let it go right there. So now we can hit the play button, and you can play through that video clip just like that. You can watch the playhead going by. Now that's the part I want to trim out, where I turn the camera. So we're gonna find just before that happens right there. So we'll go back to about here. Now right here, you're gonna see some small scissors, and it says split when you hover over that. So you can go ahead and click on that with this white bar in the correct spot. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can see it split the clip right where we want it. So now we've got two clips, but we want to create another cut where we want it to come back. So we'll play through this. I know it swings back later here, so there we go. So we want to let it swing back, and I'll pause it again. And then I'm gonna make sure that white playhead is in the correct spot, and we're gonna go ahead and split it again. So now we have three clips, and it's the middle one that we're trying to get rid of. So once you've got the three clips, go ahead and select the middle one. And if you right click on it, it'll give you the option to delete. So you could just hit the delete key on your keyboard, or you can go ahead and delete it here. So we're just gonna go ahead and delete. And you can see it leaves an open space in the middle, but when you hover over that open space, there's a little garbage can here, and it says delete this gap. So go ahead and left click on delete this gap. And now it pulls the clips together just like that. Now I would like to add a little bit of a transition in there. So over on the left hand side, you'll see it says transitions. You can just left click on that, and you can go through these on your own. I'm just gonna take a crossfade here. So if we hold down our left mouse button on the crossfade, we can drag it in and just drop it right there. Add transition, and it should have put it in there. So let's watch through. There we go. It's nice and smooth. And I know at the end of the video as well, it kind of cuts down. So what we can do is click on this clip and grab the handle here on the right hand side and bring it in a little bit as well. So now it's nice and smooth at the end. So once we have it the way we like it, we need to export this video. So if we head up to the very top right hand corner, you're going to see it says export. You can go ahead and select that. Now with Microsoft Clipchamp, the highest quality you can do for free is 1080p. So we'll go ahead and make sure that's selected. And right here it says file name. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to call this one combined. I don't want to upload it to the cloud, so I'm going to turn that off. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and select export. So let's click export. It's going to start warming things up and creating that file for you. Once it's complete, we can go to save to your computer right here. There are some other saving options, but we're going to save it to our computer. I'm going to put it on my desktop, or you can save it wherever you like. It's already got the file name in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit save down here. And it should save that to my computer here. So let's minimize this. There it is right there. And we can go ahead and play that. The first part. and the middle part's removed, and it's exactly how I want it. And really it's that simple to cut out the middle of a video clip here in Windows 11 for free using Microsoft Clipchamp.